Hey Hoplites! So my son's just completed a Google form quiz and I wanted to show you how we back up his work. So what I'm going to do is at the bottom, there's going to be the option of send me a copy of my responses before I hit submit. Now that I've turned that on, I will go ahead and hit submit. And now he's completed the quiz. I'm going to open up Gmail. And you can see that the Google form sent me the copy of the quiz and all of his answers. So I'm going to hold on to this just in case something goes wrong with the Google form upload and it arrives to the teacher blank. If you're doing this on an iPad or something similar, you can also go to view score and you can print this if you want to. I'm going to click the print button. I'm going to save it as a PDF. So I'm going to take 2 fingers, place them on the work, and then spread my fingers out to swipe it. And that will save as a PDF now to my files.